Click on File and New. Select Template and click on Create. Click on File and place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Resize the image. Click on the check. Select the Quick Selection tool. Click on Select Subject. Select the Lasso tool and click on Subtract. Follow the process. Click on Add Layer Mask. Select Background Layer. Click on Adjustment Layer and Solid Color. I'm using this color code, FFD3BC. You can use this color code and press OK. Click on Image and select the Move tool. Follow the process and align the object. Select the Horizontal Type tool. Click and change the font. I'm using Stopbook font. Font style regular. Font size 260 point. Change the text color. I'm using this color code, FF6211. You can use this color code and press OK. Hold down Alt and drag the text. Again, hold down Alt and drag the text. Click on Layer Style and Stroke. Increase stroke size around 4 pixels. Position center. Change the color. I'm pick color on the text. You can follow the same setting and press OK. Decrease the fill 0%. Select second text. Hold down Alt, drag and drop the stroke on selected text layer. Click on the arrow to hide the effect. Now decrease the fill 0%. Click on the top text layer, hold down Shift and click on the bottom text layer. Create group. Double-click and rename the group layer. Now align text in the center. Drag the group layer under the object layer. Select the object layer. Click on Layer Style and drop Shadow. Shadow angle around 55 degrees. I have already this setting. You can use this all settings and press OK. Select the Horizontal Type tool. Click and change font. I'm using Arial font. Font style regular. Font size 30 point. Right here website link. Click on File and place Embedded. Select Logo and click on Place. Press Ctrl+J to create duplicate. Click on Layer Style and Color Overlay. Now change the color. Pick color on the text and press OK. Click on Add Layer Mask. Select the brush tool. Right-click and resize the brush. Increase hardness 100%. Brush size 25 pixels. Make sure foreground color is black. Follow the same process. Now select both logo layer and press Ctrl+G to create group. Rename the logo. This is the final result. This video link in description box. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.